You know, when I found out that I could grind my own coffee at my choice and use it with one of these puppies, that's when I got the Keurig single cup. I love it. Here's what we do. We got these reusable K-cups. You get these online from Amazon. And then I can grind my own coffee. And then I also use these filters that make it a lot easier to clean up afterwards. So it's really not a hard thing to do. And then you save money. It's much more efficient because I can buy really good coffee, grind it myself, and I'm still saving money compared to those pre-produced ones that may or may not be good. So it's just very satisfying. Now here's the thing, is what grind do you want? So if you want to use your store-bought medium ground roast, that is the typical default roast, you can use that in here. Or if you want to, you can actually grind it yourself. Now what I like about a manual burr grinder as opposed to the blade grinder is that it makes a more consistent grind, so you're not getting bigger pieces and smaller pieces, because the bigger ones might bring a flavor that you don't want and the smaller ones might bring you a bitter flavor. So most of your coffee enthusiasts will recommend a burr grinder. And these are ones that you can buy online and they're relatively affordable. I have found a grind that's a little bit finer than the medium. And let me show you what that is. I'll just do a few here for you. I like a little bit more flavor. So I'm gonna get just a little bit more flavor because as in my Keurig, as the high pressure hot water is coming through these, they will pick up a little bit more flavor. If this is too coarse, the water is just gonna cruise on through there without picking up flavor on the way. So this way I get more flavor, and I really like that dark Italian roast flavor. We put these right inside, and just like that, the water comes through the ceramic poker. When you use the pre-produced K-cups, every time you use this, you're putting wear on that baby. But this already has a hole. So when you put it in, you line it up, and there you are, it's ready to roll. And it's not putting a lot of extra wear on your ceramic. So I highly recommend doing it yourself, buying the reusable K-cups using the filters inside.